President and Chief Financial Officer of All Around Town Home Care, Donald Cofrancesco has dedicated his career to ensuring that patients receive the care they need. Mr. Cofrancesco built his career in the healthcare industry on the foundation of a strong education. He earned a Bachelor of Science in Chemistry and Life Sciences with distinction from Worcester Polytechnic Institute in 1975, a Master of Arts in Gerontology from the University of New Haven in 1979, and a Master of Public Health from Yale University in 1992. He considers earning his second master's degree from Yale to be one of his proudest achievements. Mr. Cofrancesco entered the world of healthcare as a research assistant at Yale University's School of Medicine. From there, he became the Director of Biostatistics and Health Planning at the Department of Health for the City of New Haven. He later took on the administrator's position at Golden Manor Convalescent Home. This would be the first in a long line of positions in the area of healthcare administration, a field that would define the focus of his career. He served as the administrator of 3 additional facilities in Connecticut: West Haven Nursing Center, Independence Manor, and Hillside Manor. In 1990, Mr. Cofrancesco returned to Yale as an assistant administrator, financial analyst, lecturer, and clinical practice specialist. He held these roles for 11 years. Following his work at Yale, he created co-enterprises and served as a healthcare consultant. And subsequently, he founded All Around Town Home Care, which provides non-medical and respite care for individuals. He is also a certified Reiki master, providing energy that facilitates the healing process. Known for his volunteer work, Mr. Cofrancesco served as a board member of the Partnership Center for Adult Daycare in Hamden. He also served as a Commissioner of Human Services for the town of Hamden and was a board member of the Quinnipiac Valley Health District. In addition, he was a founding member of the reorganized Yale Amateur Radio Club. Until recently, he served as the Public Information Officer of Region 2 of the Connecticut Amateur Radio Emergency Service, as well as the Emergency Coordinator for Amateur Radio for QVHD. Mr. Cofrancesco is also a certified weather spotter for the National Weather Service Skywarn program. Active in community service, Mr. Cofrancesco served as a volunteer firefighter for the Mount Carmel Volunteer Fire Company of the town of Hamden for 10 years. During school breaks as an undergraduate, he was a respiratory therapy technician and a member of the cardiac arrest and trauma team at the Hospital of St. Raphael in New Haven. As an administrator, Mr. Cofrancesco is responsible for the overall health and well-being of not only the patients, but also the organization itself, a burden that few outside the healthcare industry can appreciate. He is aware that every administrative decision he makes carries ramifications, some of which have serious consequences. He feels that in order to succeed in an administrative role, one must make the continuation of the organization their top priority to ensure that the needs of the patients are met. If the organization falters, the patients suffer, and Mr. Cofrancesco has devoted his career to ensuring that organizations under his direction continue to provide top quality care for the people who need them.